Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ramblr feature videos. My name is Drago, and I'm a machine learning expert here at Ramblr. And on today's video, we're going to cover scene graphs, which are a super neat way of representing and compressing information contained in images or videos so that we as humans, or also computers, can analyze it, right, and get information very quickly. So, to get there, let's just get right away towards the scene graphs. We can go here to get started today, to go to our demo environment. Again, if you haven't done this, please just click here and it'll take you through a short sign up, and then you're going to get access to our demo project, which we did just now. Here it loads. There's our demo project. We go in. We'll see a bunch of the default videos. We're going to go to this fella out here. It's cooking video. We'll wait for it to load. Again, this is the standard visualization tool that we use, part of our app, which I show in a different video, so check it out on the channel. Otherwise, let's get right to scene graphs. So to see which scene graphs are present in a given video, you can go to relations here. It tells me there's 4. Indeed, in this relations timeline that opens, I see that there's 4 of them, and I can go to this one here, for example, and move it a little bit, and voila, there's our scene graph. Here you can control whether you display just the image, the scene graph, or both. We're just going to look at the scene graph alone for now. So what are we looking at here? You see that there's a bunch of little colored dots, right? And each one has the name of an object. In this case, a spoon, right hand, electric mixer, dough. So as you see, these are what we call nodes on a graph, right? And the idea is that we represent things as nodes or as edges, right? In this case, the nodes are the objects that we care about in the scene. So not everything, right? But the things that are relevant for what we're annotating, right? That we've annotated before, or that one of our automated methods selected for us, right? So of course there's hands, there's everything that's being interacted with, right? Or things that were interacted with before. For example, these lone nodes here, the container, and the spoon up here, right? Now, I told you there's nodes and there's edges. So what do we represent with the edges? So relations. So the right hand is holding the electric mixer. The electric mixer reaches into the dough. We're making pancakes. The left hand holds the bowl, and the bowl contains the dough, right? And this is how all of the relevant objects in the scene actually relate to each other, right? Now, aside from just having the names of things, nodes can contain attributes. For example, if I click on the right hand, it tells me there's a color, a material, a state. The dough, same color, shape, material, state, consistency, and all of the objects here can contain these attributes, right? Which are, again, you can annotate yourself manually, or you can rely on one of our automated methods to do this for you, right? Depending on the use case, feel free to ask us. Now, this looks nice and clean, but it's somewhat abstract, of course. Again, it gives you a quick view of what's happening, and of course, for the machine, this is amazing. Computers love this. But we want to keep track of the real world as well, right? So our annotation. And as mentioned, we have the split view where you can see both of them. But now if I go to my right hand node, for example, it highlights the right hand. The dough, it highlights the dough, right? It can highlight all the relevant objects. And not only that, but I can also hover over the objects, and it shows me the relevant portion in the graph that corresponds to that object, right? And then you can have multiple graphs in a given video, right? Because the idea is they represent scenes. So you can imagine in the next few seconds around this frame where I have the scene graph, the hand and the bowl and the dough, etc., are doing pretty much the same thing. And this is exactly the idea. So you can actually compress a lot of what's happening in just a few of these graphs, right? And therefore summarize your video and also get that information, make it available for example, an LLM, so that you can ask it questions about it without it having to analyze every single picture. So it's super efficient. So yeah, if you're interested in this, you really wanna explore the feature, you have some ideas, please contact us. Right? Just you can check out Ramblr.ai for that. And yeah, without further ado, thanks so much for tuning in again. And yeah, see you on the next video. Bye bye.